So, sharpening of the k03 knives, Papu khukuri. Just using my Tsprof k03. Slowly been working my way through the grits. I'm only up to 400 so far. It'll be quite a way to get there, but it's already starting to reshape the profile essentially to start with, and then did that on 150 grit stone, and then I went to 220, now 400, putting a 20-degree angle on it. Nothing insane, but this is a thin blade, so I don't want to go super thin to start with. I can always go at a lower angle later if I want to. 20 I think will be sufficient for the sort of work that this is going to be done. Normally I would convex the edge, and I may do that later at 18 degrees, but to start with, just a simple secondary 20-degree bevel is all it needs really. If I get the hang of it, see what it's like. I used it a little bit on some oak, which is pretty hardwood really, and it performed well. There wasn't a great deal of vibration coming through. It chopped into it. It did blunt in a little bit though. Not fully, but a little bit. And I could tell there was just a hint of a chip as I started sharpening, which I've got rid of now. So I don't think it had anything particularly hard or damaging. I just think that, again, probably the polish that the maker put on it is just not quite cool enough, and it may have just caused a slight overheating on the very edge, which caused it to chip, or could have just been sharpened unevenly, or might have just been in there left over from making. Honestly, I don't know. But it's gone now. Just using my CS Boride T2 stones. Yeah, so we'll see how we go.